This episode of Doorbell Mania.
I'm putting right on the porch.
I got you on camera.
Good.
Nobody does any of that.
Good. Your dog on camera in my yard.
Police on their way right now.
Put my package back.
Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my porch, dude.
Please put my. I'm calling the cops right now.
Arlington, Virginia.
Get away from my door. Get away from my door. Get away from my door.
Portland, Oregon. This person does a miserable job trying to cover up their actions. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This suspicious person lurking in a stranger's yard is a 74 years old elderly woman and the captain of her neighborhood watch. On several nights she's been caught taking Ring spotlight cameras from neighbors' residences. I'm not sure how well she can see, but those Ring cameras have night vision. Maybe she's upset those cameras are doing her job better than she is as neighborhood watch captain. Maybe she's on a secret neighborhood watch mission and she doesn't want to blow her cover. Bakersfield, California. This guy is in some kind of tranquilized trance as he stands in front of some stranger's door late at night. What's he up to?
Can I help you?
Hey, what is in there?
You have the wrong house.
Alright, I'll talk about that, man.
Okay, bye.
Dallas, Texas. You imagine some stranger standing, staring at your door late at night, holding a machete, then poof, he disappears. Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm at the rec resort.
No. Who are you looking for?
The captain of the ship?
No.
No?
No, you need to go away.
Okay, I'm going home.
Spokane, Washington. A young woman is seen on Ring security camera at 2 a.m. in the morning on a cold winter night, ringing doorbells. What does she want? Is this a setup? Is she in distress? Or is it something else? I don't know. Here's more footage of a suspicious woman out late at night. This time it's that elderly neighborhood watch captain tearing down another resident's Ring camera. For what? I don't know. But I definitely think she may be demoted at the next neighborhood watch meeting. Memphis, Tennessee. Baltimore, Maryland. Springfield, Oregon. Here's another random lady in the middle of the night with no coat on. This is so weird. I think allegedly she was also at various other homes in the neighborhood doing the very same thing. Who knows this woman? Highlight, Florida.
¿Tú vas a coger ahí? No, porque el niño me sobró la cajita y se sobró. No, salta aquí, salta aquí. Voy a llamar a la policía, salta aquí.
Albany, New York.
I'm putting it right on the porch. I'm tired of this. Real tired of them.
I got
Real
you
tired.
on camera.
Good.
Nobody does any of that.
Good. Because your
You're
dog
nasty.
on camera in my
You got-
yard, that's why I
you
knew
got
what it
food.
was.
You're an idiot.
Shut the fuck up
No.
before you get...
I'm not scared of you.
Don't be.
You're too dumb.
Don't be.
You're too dumb.
Don't be. Don't be. Call
Yeah.
him.
Yeah.
You stupid. Call him.
Good. Because that's not stolen proof.
Call my yard.
No, you whoever dog in your yard,
Yeah, okay.
you need to find them and bring it to you.
Put it back
That's
over here.
not-
Put it back over here.
Telling everybody what to do and you ain't mayor or what? You ain't.
Police on their way right now.
Put my package back.
Oh, can I help you?
You gotta get away from my porch,
Please
dude.
put my